If HandBrake is showing error 12, don't worry. This usually means HandBrake is being blocked from accessing your hardware encoder or the source file. In most cases, the issue comes down to a driver conflict, a permission problem, or a locked video file. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix HandBrake error 12 step by step, and by the end, you should be able to start your encode again without that frustrating error. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's get started. First, let's understand what error 12 actually means. On Windows, error 12 is linked to invalid access, and inside HandBrake, that usually points to one of two things. Either HandBrake cannot access your GPU encoder, like NVIDIA NVENC, Intel QuickSync, or AMD VCE, or it cannot properly read the source video because of a permissions issue. So we're going to fix both possibilities in the simplest way possible. Start with the most common fix, which is bypassing the hardware encoder. Open HandBrake and go to the Video tab. Look for the video encoder setting. If you currently have something like NVENC, QuickSync, or VCE selected, change it to H.264x264. This uses your CPU instead of your GPU, so it avoids the hardware encoder conflict. Once you switch it, try starting the encode again. If the video now works, that tells you the issue is likely tied to your graphics driver or GPU access. If switching to X264 fixes the problem, the next step is to update your graphics drivers. In some cases, a regular update is enough, but if the issue keeps coming back, do a clean install of your GPU drivers. A clean install removes older driver files and replaces them with fresh ones, which can resolve access problems between HandBrake and the encoder. After updating, restart your computer, open HandBrake again, and test the encode one more time. Now let's move to the permission side of the problem. A very easy fix is to run HandBrake as an administrator. Right-click the HandBrake icon and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the app higher permissions and can help if Windows is restricting access to the file or the encoder. If HandBrake opens normally after that, try your conversion again and see if error 12 is gone. Next, check where your source video is stored. If the file is in a protected folder, like a system directory, a locked external drive, or a location with strict permissions, HandBrake may not be able to access it properly. To test this, move the video file to a simple location like your desktop. Then reopen HandBrake, reselect the source of file from that new location, and try again. This small change often fixes access-related errors immediately. Another important step is making sure the video file is not open anywhere else. If the file is currently being used by another program, HandBrake may not be able to read it. Close anything that might be using the file, such as VLC, Premiere, a browser tab, or even a file preview window. Once everything else is closed, go back into HandBrake and retry the encode. If you've done all of that and you still see error 12, go back and double check the encoder setting one more time. In many cases, people think they're using CPU encoding, but HandBrake is still trying to access the GPU encoder behind the scenes. Switching fully to H.264x264 is one of the fastest ways to confirm whether the issue is hardware related. If x264 works but hardware encoding does not, then the problem is almost certainly your GPU driver, permissions, or a conflict with another application. At this point, the goal is to isolate the cause. If administrator mode works, it was probably a permission issue. If moving the file works, it was probably a path or folder access problem. If switching from NVENC, QuickSync, or VCE to X264 works, then the graphics encoder was the source of the error. That makes troubleshooting much easier because you now know exactly where the problem is coming from. So to recap quickly, first, change the video encoder to H.264x264. Second, update or clean install your graphics drivers if hardware encoding was the problem. Third, run HandBrake as administrator. Fourth, move the source video to your desktop or another normal folder. And fifth, make sure the file is not open in another app. These steps fix most HandBrake error 12 issues on Windows. If this guide helped you fix the problem, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video showing how to fix other common HandBrake errors too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.